Hello traders, I hope everyone is doing well and welcome to Next Move series। हमने लास्ट वीक गोल्ड और जीबीपी यूएसडी पे एनालिसिस किया था और जो कि प्रॉफिटेबल थे, बहुत सक्सेसफुल एनालिसिस था। दैट वाज वेरी काइंड टू द पॉइंट एनालिसिस। आज हम देखेंगे इस वीक जो हमारे इंटरेस्ट पेयर हैं वो हैं जीबीपी यूएसडी एंड गोल्ड अगेन। और आज हमने यूरो एनजीडी लॉन्ग ट्रेड लिया and I'll attach a screenshot of that. We shared it with our batch too. Or for that, let's look into the trades and look into the analysis how it goes. तो इस वीक हम देख रहे हैं गोल्ड को। गोल्ड हमारा लास्ट वीक सक्सेसफुल ट्रेड था जो कि शॉर्ट था। यहाँ से हमने ट्रेड लिया था शॉर्ट। So let me draw the second level. So this way. So as we can see, like the gold is in pullback. So for this week, I'll be looking forward gold for long, like this, and my trade gonna be somewhat like this. Yeah, that's gonna be our trade. So my buys for the gold is long, and as far as for GBP USD, GBP USD again, our analysis was right on GBP USD. We took our trade from here for the short, and now the trade is kind of pulling back. And again, I'll be interested in this level. Let it retest, and then we're gonna see how it plays out. So my bias for GBP USD is this, and yeah, it's gonna be to the downside. And this trade gonna be for, I feel is gonna be for Thursday. Thursday trade. And let me go back to the gold. Uh, it's for tomorrow. Gold is a Wednesday trade. So these are our pairs for this week, and so we have discussed two trades, and plus our Euro NZD is in profit. We have taken long position. Let's see how it goes, and we basically learn from our mistakes. And इसमें एक चीज़ ज़रूर करें कि अपना रिस्क मैनेज करें, हमारी बाइस के साथ रहें, or just mix it with your own analysis and basically evolve your like trading journey basically. And thank you for watching.